Shenseea addressed rumors of her selling her soul, and fans tell Dexta Daps that he should collab with Jada Kingdom.
Who should I do a collaboration with? Tell me, let me read, y'all. Let me read. Alright. Hold on, everybody has said the same person.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, you know what going on with Shenseea. So she's on Kanye West's album. She have 2 songs on there, or she's featured on 2 songs. Let us not say she have 2 songs like a fear song them, a theme song them, but she featured on 2 songs. All right, and them are going well so far. Me say she posts and. You know, she said the on the Billboard is charted already. But when you know, say a lot of people are bigger up, right? A lot of people are saying it's a good look for dancehall, it's a good look for Shenseea. But you have another set of people where say another thing, right? I want to know, say when her mother did pass, them a say she sacrificed her mother. She addressed that, she went live, and she has said she can't believe that people really have said them things there and all, right? We hear other rumors about her and she go live and address it, even though a week after them say it. But now, you know, she said something this morning. She posted a series of pictures and she said it in the caption. So this is what she put in the caption. And she said, "Can't say I sell my kitty, so they say I sold my soul. I'll take it." Right? So definitely she hear the talk, she hear people that talk, and I say, yeah, she sell her soul, that's why she up where she there. But people, we have to look on this, like when the artists them are hustle and grind, them not post them thing on social media. We don't know, you know what I mean? It's not like overnight success. We don't really know the story and where it take for Shenseea reach up this. So we can't just jump up and say, a overnight success. That's what me have to say about it. Me know better than to say something like that. But you might have your opinion and you might have another reason why you are say, you know what I mean, you think I saw it go. If you say that though. Or some people might agree with me. So I want to think about this. I want to think about what people are say. I want to think about Shenseea say, what Shenseea say and overall, right? Want to tell me down in the comment section, all right? So next we are going to talk about Jada Kingdom, because Jada Kingdom name been hot on the press when it comes to collaboration. We see on Sunday she posts and tell the fans them to ask Spice when they go collab, and Spice says she ready right away. So that's kind of confirmed, we can say. Well, it's confirmed because the 2 of them said that. So I just them for just got you and do the maths. But again now, yesterday Dexta Daps they on Film Live and he must say same thing. Fans who want think me for collab with, and almost everybody said Twinkle. You see what I say? Everybody want hear Dexta Daps and Twinkle. I know some of you feel the same way too. More feel the same way. So I'm going to show another piece of clippings. Then we are going to talk about it a little bit. So take a listen. Here goes.
So who am I for the collab with now? Who wanna see me a sing? Long time I do a live with them for really now. You know one of my thing, but I have to tune in with my fans, you know? Who should I do a collaboration with? Tell me, let me read, y'all. Let me read. Alright. Hold on, everybody has said the same person. Everybody has said the same person. Again? Nah, man. Something not going on here, sir. So what's about that? What's about that? Talk to me. What's about that me could want? What's so enticing about that collab? What is pulling in with the Twinkle Boss? Can you tell me? Cha. Yo, did I ramp it up? The vibes with it. Alright. I believe you. There's chemistry. There's a vibe. And that's it, right? No more. That's it. Just do that one day and I'm happy. See it? Look like that's all them want. You don't see nothing else. I go listen to it. Hold on, I start see another name. Yo, I just wish I could have hear, you know. I wish I could have just talk and just hear that conversation. This reading and response, it throw me off. But me
Yeah, people. So him say when him come off and live, him did call Twinkle so them can talk about it and them can get in the studio together. So we hope said that happen. You see me I say. But people, I want to know for no opinion. Want to feel like Twinkle and Dexta Daps. There's a lot of other names that came up afterwards and him acknowledge some of them. So when I name them, him talk about his Buju Banton and him must say, yo, that definitely would have worked and it would have be like a spiritual kind of song. And him say him have a song with Tarrus Riley. Him have 2 songs with Tarrus Riley. One on Tarrus Riley album and one on Theme album. And he must say him love both of them song there, right? Also, people have said Dovey Magnum. Later on, him end up talk to Dovey Magnum, but you know, Dovey Magnum did a talk about collaboration on another video. So he must say Dovey call him out and say Ray and him add Dovey and them did a talk about it for a little bit, right? Another name that we see come up, we see Popcorn and Dexta Daps. You know, we think that would have be a good song also. But definitely a Twinkle and Dexta Daps, a lot of people are say. So I want to ask you know, who you think that Dexta would have, you know what I mean, sound good with? Would I do a good song with? We see Vibes Cartel name also, I forgot that, right? So I just want to know for no opinion on it. Who you think said Dexta Daps would have do a great song with? And we know the whole like collab them with Dexta do already. Iman Massacre, bad song. Iman Tifa, bad song. Well, so now put some down in the comment section. I'm gonna erase out all of them. You just tell me some of the song them with Dexta Daps collab already. You see me? So people, definitely I want to know what you think about the Shenseea thing. I want to know what you think about the collab with Twinkle, and as well as, like I say, if you don't have any idea who you want to hear him with, you know, put it down in the comment section. So other than that, I'm just going to leave it this, alright? So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Want everybody big up themselves. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are, and stay safe out there. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for the love and the support. I'm out. Stay safe.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.